In this week's video, you join us as we head to Istanbul for a few days as part of our trip to Turkey. If you joined us in the last video, you will have seen that we were in Cappadocia, having a once-in-a-lifetime experience in the hot air balloon capital of the world, as well as having fun blasting around on ATVs. Now we are flying back to Istanbul to experience a few days there. As soon as we arrived in Istanbul, we purchased our Istanbul cart so we could use the public transport. This was really easy and cheap. Right, this is Benny and Ffion do MTV Cribs. Come into our hotel room. Lovely bathroom, well, toilet. Turn in, here's Rhys looking like he's dying.
I'm so hot.
Then we come down here, fridge with complimentary water, our bed, Phoebe's bed,
Which it does pop down.
we just can't work it out yet. Here we have the other half of the bathroom, lovely. And then we are on the highest floor, lovely view of lots of oil ships and barrages, but there's a city, you can see the other half. We are on the European side, so that is the Asian side. Oh, that minivan's got its door open.
Oh yeah.
So this is a Novotel. We've never stayed in a Novotel before, have we?
No, but we've heard good things about them. We know of people that have stayed in them and they've always said good things. But it's not our type of travels, you know, a bit more at market than our tin box, isn't it?
Don't slate Benny that way.
Don't talk bad on Benny.
That's rude. So yeah. Oh, I'll leave it there.
Sorry.
Good morning. Today we are going to be heading out into Istanbul. Yesterday tired us out, so we are a little bit late leaving this morning, annoyingly. But we all just went back to sleep a couple of times.
We just like our sleep.
Yeah.
I should not let you guys in charge with alarms.
No, maybe, yeah, you take control.
Yeah, I might have to.
And maybe we'll leave at the right time. So today's objectives. Head to the Grand Bazaar, which we're all quite excited to go and see. Something completely different to what we've seen before.
Yeah.
And then we would also like to go and see the mosques. Yes, we've all got appropriate outfits on for the mosques. And hopefully it's not going to kill us today with the heat.
Does anyone know how old it is?
30. Feels like 36.
Already?
Yes.
Fantastic.
So
Could be worse. It could be going a few hours later.
you may see us looking quite glazed today.
Oh my god.
Right,
Yeah, well, yeah, what an absolute tour.
good start to the day. That's the last time we leave Phoebe in charge of directions. This girl travels on her
I'm
own.
sorry, but why is there one Grand Bazaar?
I don't know how she does it.
Oh,
She
honestly.
took us to a hotel at the complete wrong side.
Called the Grand Bazaar, to be fair,
Yeah.
but way out of the side of the city we didn't want to be.
We're seeing something new. Be
Yeah.
grateful.
Yeah.
So we just had to stop the taxi and
Ask him to take us to a nearby tourist spot, the Galata Tower.
so then we'll be doing that and then walking where we're supposed to be going.
Yeah, so new stop, this. And there's the tower. We'll go walk down there and see what we can see. Look at her, walk of shame. So you can go up in the tower. We're not going to do that, it's too bloody hot. How are you feeling about the temperature so far?
Not great because I'm having to wear trousers.
Because we're going in a mosque. None of your shorts will below the knee.
No.
This is where you need slitty trousers.
I'm not wearing slitty trousers.
Second stop, Blue Mosque. Okay, so we've just left the mosque. It was absolutely beautiful.
It was stunning. I tell you what, managed to get more shots than I thought we would have.
Yeah, same. I thought we were going to struggle a little bit, but it was also very crowded in there, so it was a little bit difficult to film.
Yeah.
But it was gorgeous. It was the tile work all around the domes and everything, absolutely beautiful. I loved it.
Yeah, truly. It shocked us.
Yeah. And we also met a guy in there, and he gave us like a load of information for free,
Yes.
which we were
And
a bit sceptical of.
Yeah, usually, often when you're travelling, you get for free, and then afterwards they're like, okay.
But a tip. Yeah, no, he just
nothing.
gave the information willingly, and he was telling us all about how it's not actually called the Blue Mosque. We'll put the name on screen. It's given the name Blue Mosque by tourists because of so much blue in the mosque. And there's like beautiful blue tile work, blue stained glass, the domes look blue. So he was explaining about the history of mosques and the history of Islam and mosques and
A lot
why.
to put in a 5-minute conversation.
Oh yeah, he was like reeling it off to us. It was quite impressive. But yeah, and so we learned quite a bit about how this mosque was built. It was built with like a hospital and schools for adults, schools for children there, and things like that. Yeah, and how it was like sort of like almost like a haven for people to come to. It was really interesting, absolutely fascinating, and I really enjoyed going inside. I'm glad we did. So now we're going to try and head to the Grand Bazaar 2 stops later than we planned. Finally, we reached the proper Grand Bazaar and spent some time exploring. Thankfully, it was air conditioned inside. It was entirely as you would expect, a maze of small shops and stalls, and it is so easy to get lost, so keep your wits about you. Okay, so we've not long got back from exploring Istanbul. Oh my god, was it hot. It was absolutely boiling today. It was the kind of heat where it's like suffocatingly hot. You're hot all over, you can't escape it. Even the breeze is hot. So we decided to come back at like 2 o'clock-ish, which was later than we did want to be out. We wanted to be back here by 12. But unfortunately it didn't work out. We got messed around with a couple of taxis, and one taxi actually got a flat tyre, so we had to get out and he just drove off, and we were like, oh, cool. So we managed to go to the Blue Mosque. I absolutely loved it. It was something that I really wanted to see, something I think is so, like, they're just so ornate here. It's so different to the mosques we have back home. So I was really excited to go and see one. And a good tip is that if you go see the Blue Mosque, it is free to go in, whereas going in the Hagia Sophia is, I think when we looked, it was £25 each, which is quite a bit of money. So like, for instance, for us, the 3 of us, it would have been £75, which we just didn't want to pay. So instead we just went to the Blue Mosque, and it was free entry, and they loan you a headscarf if you don't have one, or they'll loan you like men, they loan like a skirt so that your knees are covered if you have shorts on above the knee. And they'll I think I even saw one girl, she had like a full dress on that they had loaned her because her outfit just wasn't appropriate to go in. So it was really handy, and you didn't have to pay for those to be loaned to you. They just give them to you and then you hand them back at the end, which was brilliant. Then we went to the Grand Bazaar. It's again something that we all really wanted to do when we came here. It was actually cooler in the Grand Bazaar, which I thought was bizarre, because I expected it to be really hot in there, like so many stalls, so many people, but it wasn't. It was quite cool. So we had a good walk around, and we picked up a few gifts and bits and bobs, so I will show you those now. Okay, so first up we have Turkish Delight. He tried it and he said it was good, better than Turkish Delight at home, obviously, but he just doesn't enjoy it. So we picked this up for Rhys's nan for her birthday, and I can't even open it because he's like shrink wrapped it, because you can see here it just wouldn't close. The Turkish Delight they give you is in these big fat rolls. They don't cut it, so we didn't expect that. I don't know why. So we expect it to be like pieces that they give you. So he's like shrink wrapped it for us so we can get it home safe. So that's gift number 1. gift number 2 then is a load of pashminas, the silk cashmere ones. So we got this one, beautiful dark red, absolutely gorgeous detailing. And this one is going to be for Rhys's other nan, the same nan we bought the Turkish Delight for. This is going to be for her, so it's blue with like goldish brown, really pretty. And they're so soft, they're such good quality. And then this one is for my mum for her birthday. It's gold with red, like look at that, it's so pretty. And this one is mine, so it's like a white off-white with blue. Beautiful, it's almost lace detailing, really pretty. Super happy with those. Those were the things I wanted to get from Turkey, so really pleased, especially because we've got quite a few birthdays coming up, so they'll be perfect gifts. As I said, we did manage to haggle with the guy for the scarves, and they were really friendly. They knew where Wales was. We had the obligatory Gareth Bale, Cardiff, yeah comments, which was really fun. And honestly then we just tried to get back to the hotel. It took us quite a while to get back here, and we've all had showers, hence the turban. I've washed my hair, so sweaty, and now because I'm not feeling very well because of the heat, they've gone and picked up some food for us. Phoebe and Rhys have gone to pick up some food for us, and honestly I think we're just getting fast food because I'm not feeling very well to go out of the hotel. I don't really want to go out in the heat again today, and it doesn't cool off until like 8-9 o'clock at night, so we're going to do that now. And I think we might watch something and just chill out because we're all very tired and we've all got headaches from the sun.
Chill day because we had such a manic day yesterday. We are heading to the pool. We haven't seen it yet. Well, we've seen it, we haven't gone in it, but it looks alright. It just looks a bit busy, especially compared to the other one. But chill there for a few hours, and then this evening we found a yacht cruise 3-course meal thing. I don't know who we think we are, but how much was it? It's like
£30 each.
£30 for 3 courses, live entertainment, unlimited drinks, soft drinks, alcoholic drinks. I think that's a good price. So that's this evening. So that's like 2 hours, and starts at 8:30. Should be quite nice.
Alright, so it's a few hours later now. It's the evening. We had a few hours sunbathing and then we chilled in the room at peak heat, and we've got ourselves ready and we are heading out. What time is it now? 7? 7. And we're gonna get a taxi. We're gonna head up to the meeting point at the pier for the boat.
Have you said what we're doing?
Yes, you
Yes,
did.
you did.
I did,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And hopefully it's a good evening.
Should be. It's got great reviews.
Yes, it does. So we'll show you what it's like and see if we'll recommend it to you guys.
So we are outside the palace.
Yeah, we'll put the name on the screen because we
So-
can't
yeah.
pronounce it.
We would go inside, but
It's closed.
It's shut, unfortunately.
so we're outside the meeting point anyways for where we go on the yacht, which was we gotta get there.
We're an hour early.
But I don't know, we've got to kill some time now. This was the plan, to kill some time,
Yes.
Yes.
but it hasn't worked out. That's alright. We'll figure something else out.
It's absolutely beautiful though. I think if you had the chance, I'd say go inside, because if it's as beautiful as the outside is, I'd say it's worth going in and having a look. But we might just have a little stroll now down by
Yeah.
the water.
See what's about.
We should see this on the cruise anyway, shouldn't we?
Yeah, exactly. And it's a lovely temperature right now. The sun is setting because it sets at about 8 o'clock.
And there's a nice breeze.
Yes. So it's nice to walk.
The mega loofah.
Thank you so much for watching this week's video. We really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.